Hey, welcome back. So, I'm in the midst of my cucumber and zucchini problem, and we're going to start with these guys. These came last week, and they are lemon cucumbers. So, I washed them up, and I have cut off the end so you can see what they look like inside. And they look like kind of a lemon-shaped cucumber. I tried a taste of one, and it doesn't really have a lemony flavor. However, the skin is a bit tougher than normal cucumbers. That's a bit dark. Normal cucumbers. So I think I'm just going to take out the trusty mandolin and mandolin up both the lemons and the normal cukes and make a cucumber salad. Stay tuned. So I brought out my mandolin and I have washed and decoratively peeled the cucumbers and chopped the ends off. I'm not going to do striping on the lemon cucumbers because I want the striking orange peel to come out. Now I'm going to start. And as you can see, I'm getting some slices. So let me pause this and do them all up and get them in the bowl. So here we have the sliced up cucumbers. These are the normal cucumbers. These are the lemon ones. With using a mandolin, make sure you follow proper safety precautions. Wear your slicey glove, or I only slice the cucumbers down to maybe 3/4 of an inch left. And then I save these ends as just snacky treats to eat. Okay, guys, so here is the final output. After I cut up some onions, would rather have used red, but all I had on hand were white. I put some light virgin olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some white vinegar, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of sugar, or Splenda if you'd rather. Just mix it all up, and now I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. It should sit probably 3 hours, and it will be ready to eat. Hope this gives you some ideas. Talk to you later. Bye.